The results for assembly elections for the state of Arunachal and Sikkim and counting of votes has started at around 6 a.m. today. Arunachal Pradesh assembly elections were conducted along with phase 1 of the Lok Sabha elections on April 19th for 60 seats as votes will be counted on only 50 seats. Remember, as the BJP has already secured 10 seats unopposed and Sikkim also voted in a single phase along with Arunachal Pradesh for 32 seats. As of now, we're learning that in Arunachal Pradesh, the BJP has crossed the halfway mark and is leading, and in Sikkim, that is the Sikkim Krantikari Morcha, is leading. Remember, in 2019 as well, they had gained 17 seats, and Prem Singh Tamang was appointed the chief minister. In Arunachal as well, the BJP had emerged victorious in 2019 as well, winning a majority of 41 of the 61 available seats in 2019.
आज सुबह जो शेड्यूल टाइम था 6 AM से काउंटिंग जो 3 असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी और एक संघ कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी जो मंगन डिस्ट्रिक्ट में उसका काउंटिंग स्टार्ट हो चुका है। अभी तक जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर है वो बहुत पीसफुल है। जितना भी इनपुट्स हमने कलेक्ट किया है वहाँ पर कोई ऐसा इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है कि कुछ वायलेंस वगैरह होगा। तो जितना भी था जो हमारा जगह हम लोग वल्नरेबल लगते थे कि कहाँ पर कुछ हो सकता है गड़बड़, तो वहाँ पर पूरा फोर्स डिप्लॉय करके सिचुएशन पूरा टोटली अंडर कंट्रोल में है अभी।
My colleague Rathadeep joins us from Arunachal Pradesh. Rathadeep, what are the trends looking like? BJP again leading as per the early trends in Arunachal.
That's what, in fact, in an hour or so, the picture would be completely clear in terms of Arunachal Pradesh, and it seems that the BJP is again inching towards a clean sweep in Arunachal Pradesh. Remember, in 2019, they had won 41 seats and formed the government. Chief Minister Pema Khandu and the party is eyeing a second term, full term, where they would be able to form the government of their own. And this time, the trend suggests that Congress might only win one seat, and in fact, smaller parties like the NPP and other smaller parties are doing better than the Congress. The NPP led by Congress, Conrad Sangma, might do better than last time it had won 5 seats. But talking about Arunachal Pradesh, already BJP had an advantage with 10 of its candidates, including Chief Minister Pema Khandu, his deputy Chana Min, and 8 others who won uncontested. So therefore, elections had taken place simultaneously with Lok Sabha polls on April 19th for only 50 seats, and already the BJP, it seems, is sweeping the elections. You can see here behind me there the counting center, but already the BJP supporters and the women. Remember, one of the success of BJP in Arunachal Pradesh has been the women supporting them. They are here. They are happy that the party is sweeping it. आप लोग काउंटिंग सेंटर के बाहर खड़े हैं, क्या तैयारी है, क्योंकि ऐसा लग रहा है आप लोगों का पार्टी स्वीप कर रहा है?
नमस्ते। हम ये बीजेपी का पापुमपारे बीजेपी यूनिट का हम एक सेक्रेटरी का नाते हम बीजेपी का हम लोग का यहाँ में अरुणाचल में एग्जिट पोल में भी हम लोग ऑलरेडी लीडिंग हो चुका है। तो हम लोग फोर्टेन रुइमु का इधर में हम लोग का उम्मीदवार है बीजेपी का तरफ से तनाहाली ताराजी है। तो हम लोग उसका काउंटिंग में यहाँ में हम लोग बीजेपी का हम लोग काउंटिंग में आया है। तो हम लोग ऑलरेडी हम लोग लीडिंग हो रहा है अभी तक। तो हम लोग का सबका हर कोई का विश्वास है कि हम लोग बीजेपी लीड होगा। अरुणाचल में भी बीजेपी लीड होगा और सेंटर में भी बीजेपी होगा और हम लोग का स्टेट में भी बीजेपी होगा। और वैसे हम लोग का यहाँ में हम लोग अरुणाचल में सबसे सूरज का पहले उगता सूरज यहाँ पे होता है, और तो बीजेपी का फर्स्ट लीडिंग हम लोग यहाँ से पॉजिटिव।
There you are. The message from these BJP supporters is that since Arunachal Pradesh is known as the land of the rising sun, they feel that BJP's rise this time in the election season is going to start from Arunachal Pradesh. Talking about the other state which went to poll, which also shares borders with China, just like Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, there in 32 seats, there is it looks like that the ruling SKM, the Sikkim Krantikari Morcha, is going to sweep the elections, and the main opposition party, the SDF, Sikkim Democratic Front, which had ruled the state for 25 years till 2019 when SKM came to power for the first time, is trailing in most of the seats. In fact, its top leader and former Sikkim Chief Minister Pawan Kumar Chamling is trailing in both the seats that he has contested, and the incumbent Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang is what we are told is almost on the verge of winning both the seat he has contested. In fact, what we are also picking up that footballer and former India football team captain Baichung Bhutia, who is a top leader of the SDF, is also trailing in the seat that he is contesting. In fact, celebrations have started started among SKM supporters in Paljor Stadium in Gangtok. So therefore, the SKM and BJP in a way sweeping the state elections in Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim. That's what the early trends and is suggesting.
Right, continue tracking this story for us, Ratnadeep. In just about an hour, we'll figure out what the final picture in Arunachal and Sikkim are.